In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix alignment in Canva. By the end, your text and graphics will line up cleanly so your design looks much more professional. First, select the element you want to align. Click once directly on the text box, image, or shape. You will know it is selected when a bounding box appears around it with small handles on the corners and sides. If you accidentally pick the wrong thing, just click on empty space to deselect, then click the correct element again. At this point, you should see an outline around only the item you plan to move. Once that is done, look toward the top of your Canva screen and click Position in the top toolbar. The Position button usually appears near options like Edit Image or Animate, above the main canvas area. When you click Position, a small panel opens, either dropping down under the button or appearing on the side, depending on your screen size. This panel controls how your selected element lines up relative to the page or to other objects. From there, under the Arrange section, choose Left to align the element to the left. When you click Left, the selected item will jump so its left edge lines up with the left boundary Canva is using. You will often see it snap into place in a single quick movement. A useful detail is that if you only have one element on the page, Left will usually align it with the left margin of the page itself. Next up, you can choose Center to center it under the same Arrange area. Click Center and watch the element move so it sits perfectly in the middle horizontally. This means there is equal space on the left and right sides relative to the reference area. Many beginners try to eyeball this by dragging, but that often leaves it slightly off. Using Center removes that guesswork and gives you precise symmetry in one click. After that, you can choose Right to align to the right. When you press Right, the selected object will slide over until its right edge is aligned with the right margin that Canva is using. You might notice that any subtle misalignment disappears, especially when you are lining up several objects on the same side. This is especially handy for neatly aligned captions or logos on the right side of a page. At this point, you can also use Top, Middle, or Bottom to align vertically. Click Top to move the element so its top edge lines up with the top boundary. Choose Middle to place it in the exact vertical center, equal distance from top and bottom. Pick Bottom to move it so the lowest edge matches the bottom margin. Vertical alignment is especially helpful when stacking multiple text boxes or making sure icons sit at the same height across a row. You have now aligned your Canva elements cleanly using the Position and Arrange tools. If this helped you fix your alignment, a quick thumbs up will help others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple Canva tips.